Welcome back, productivity enthusiasts. If your to-do list feels never-ending and you are struggling to balance it all, this episode is just for you. Today, we are diving into advanced time blocking techniques designed to transform how you work and live. These tips aren't just about managing tasks, they're your stepping stones toward mastering focus, achieving personal growth, and unlocking your full potential. So grab your notebook, it's time to take charge of your time and create space for what truly matters. Time blocking is more than a simple scheduling tool. It's a life alignment system. Whether you are juggling priorities or striving for that elusive work-life balance, this method empowers you to control your day with clarity and intention. Imagine each block of time as a commitment to your best self. Let's dive deeper into how you can elevate this practice. Breathe life into your schedule. Assign colors for task categories: blue for deep work, green for collaboration, red for rejuvenating breaks. This not only simplifies visual recognition but also helps you mentally prepare for each task type. Isn't it satisfying to glance at your calendar and see balance reflected in color? This small yet powerful technique strengthens focus and minimizes stress. Build momentum while protecting your energy. Incorporate the Pomodoro technique into your blocks: 25 minutes of laser-focused work followed by 5-minute breaks. After completing 4 cycles, reward yourself with a longer break. By guarding your energy reserves, you can maintain productivity without approaching burnout. Productivity doesn't mean working harder, it's about working smarter with renewal builds. Assign themes to each day to streamline priorities and reduce task switching fatigue. For example, make Monday your meeting day, Tuesday your creative work day, and so on. This strategic move helps you stay rooted in the present task instead of spreading your energy thin. Personal growth doesn't stop at execution, it thrives on reflection. At week's end, evaluate your time blocking effectiveness. Adjust your schedule to reflect better insights and new demands. Growth is a journey, and time blocking is a tool to take you further with each step. Productivity is not non-stop effort, it thrives in rhythm. Schedule breaks with intention. Whether it's a 10-minute walk or meditative pause, these moments are pivotal for mental rebooting and creativity. Each break motivates, not derails, your productivity journey. Imagine what you could accomplish by reclaiming control over your days. These advanced time blocking techniques aren't just about checking things off, they're about building habits that fuel personal and professional growth. Every block is an investment in becoming a better, more focused version of yourself. So, which technique resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more transformational productivity tips.